Lots of people have been asking me how I do my scarf. I thought, okay, might as well then. Hello. I'm going to do a quick outfit of the day. And a quick outfit of the day today.
I'm making good.
Yeah, just don't press too hard.
And that's our video.
I'm just unpicking. Isn't very exciting.
That's a secret.
It wasn't that bad.
We'll keep it a secret.
This one looks like a good one.
Today's outfit.
4 consonnes et 3 voyelles, c'est le prénom.
I have come back from uni and it's been a really long day. Definitely gonna wear it to uni. So please ignore all the mess in the background. Kind of something I came up with a couple of days ago. I have it on now. So describe me in one word. So we're here by the Eiffel Tower. It's my hijab story. Back with another scarf tutorial. I love this scarf and go on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's such a statement jumper. This island called Pango. Have you faced any negativity or come across people who just don't understand what modest fashion is? I've never seen anything like this. Just had a baby. Today I went to the baby show. Hey guys, and welcome to another vlog. I'm 32 weeks. Today I'll be showing you my morning routine with the newborn and my 2-year-old daughter. Thank you for being with me on this journey. You have literally watched me grow up and join me on all my milestones. So to end this video, I had to do a shoot celebrating my bright and quirky style, which is what made this dream a reality. Thank you all so much for your support. Love, Nabiila.